Okay, so these are it's a thermal, and I'm running Hyperglides in this setup. And my Hyperglides have been lubed, filmed, and spring swapped. The spring itself, it's in the description. I can't really remember the exact one right now, but yeah, in the description, check it out. Let's hear a sound test. My pre-warning is that my space bar is a little bit rattly. Quick sound test. 15 seconds. Yep, so it's that. I like the feel of this. Ugh. Anyway. GMK Striker is always really nice. And these Hyperglides have been worn in before. I really like the Hyperglides. Yeah. I probably will pull this out a bit more. I just made this today. Yeah, so hopefully a bit more in the weeks to come. Alright, that's it for now. See ya.